Hey everyone, Vaibhav here. You probably see me in this jersey and you are thinking about cricket. I have been thinking about it a lot too. We all watched the ODI World Cup and when India lost, let's be honest, it hurt. It felt like all that hard work, all that dominant performance just went to waste. But then I look back. We won the T20 internationals, we won the Champions Trophy. What does this teach us? It teaches us two very important things that apply to every IPMAT prep. One, mehnat. Hard work never goes to waste. Second, yes, luck matters. But what is luck? For an exam, luck is just your hard work. Meeting the right question on exam day, you don't wait for luck, you create it. And today I want to talk about how we are going to create it together. Now I talk to students every single day. They are working hard, putting 8 to 10 hours daily. But the biggest problem I see is that students are working hard in the wrong direction. They are studying alone, they have no one to ask when they are stuck. They have no one to hold them accountable. And even worse, the only option for help are giant coaching institutes that charge 25,000, 50,000 fees. I started Entrance UG because I believe your IIM dream should never be blocked by a price tag. Our entire philosophy is built on student-friendly pricing so that every serious student gets a fair shot. So, how do we help you make your own luck? We built a complete ecosystem. First, we give you the best tools for practice. You get our 10 precision crafted mock test series specifically for IIM Bangalore aptitude test. These aren't random questions. They are designed to match the exact pattern and difficulty you will face. Second, we build consistency. We give you daily reading comprehensions on our platform, just 10 minutes daily. That's all it takes to build a non-negotiable habit. But let's be real, tools are useless without a plan. That's why we created Entrance UG Mentorship Batch. This is a game changer. This isn't a pre-recorded course where you are just another face in a crowd of 500. This is a personal. When you join, here is my promise to you. 1. Daily accountability. We give you daily tasks and we check that you have done them. No more procrastination. 2. A customized strategy. I or my team will personally build a plan for you. Are you weak in quants? Strong in VA? Your plan will reflect that. We don't use one size fits all. 3. Daily live doubt sessions. Not weekly, daily. You have a doubt at 2 p.m., you get it cleared the same evening. And finally, direct access. You get to message me and my team anytime. If you are really stuck, you can even call me. This is my personal commitment to you. We will be in this together. Look, the Indian team had the best coaches and a strategy to lift those trophies. You are the star player of your own exam. You deserve a great coach too. Stop studying alone. Stop guessing your strategy and letting your hard work go to waste. Click the first link in the description. Join the Entrance UG Mentorship Batch. Let's stop waiting for luck and let's go make it together. I will see you in the batch. Thank you.